14, and I am Najwa Nasihudin with student number 232122127.
I am M.Gunara Waluya with student number 342122066. And we will explain our story, our journey from this semester of Grammar and Spoken Discourse.
Okay, I'm first. For me, grammar in spoken discourse was one of the interesting challenges in my academic journey. When the lecturer gave me an assignment to make a poster and present it, I had mixed feelings like enthusiasm, confused, and anxiety, because this was not just an ordinary project and our group got the material above response token and response question and the material of storytelling, which is in oral discourse. These tasks require me to be able to understand deeply linguistic concepts as well as have the ability to present them visually and orally. In this story, I will share my experience of making a poster and the challenges I faced and then the valued lesson I learned.
Likewise, I think the poster project in Grammar in Spoken Discourse was one that I found interesting to work on. So the presentation pattern was very effective for me and my friends. Where in one day, me, my friends, and I got 3 different materials in Grammar in Spoken Discourse. And in the concept of language, I think discourse provides a specific understanding of some differences and procedures for the use of language and oral. And this gave me a very useful improvement for me in the future.
When we first heard about this assignment, we felt confused about how to explain the material because we didn't know about it at all. And after I found out, it turns out that response tokens look simple but complex in use. The same thing with response questions, which are often used to ensure understanding or re-engage listeners. Likewise, storytelling material looks simple but has many benefits that will be very useful. These concepts turn out to be very important in maintaining the dynamics of oral communication.
We start the project by, of course, finding the material and then reading and studying it. One of the biggest challenges is how to get the audience to understand what we are saying. As a first step, we create an outline of the poster. We divided the poster into main points such as definition, function, and examples in real-life situations. For each section, we make sure the grammar we use is simple, clear, and in accordance with the structure we have learned.
When preparing the poster design, a new challenge arose: how to convey the information in visually appealing and easy to understand way. So we use a combination of contrasting colors to make the text easy to read and added examples to add imagery and clarify the explanation. During the process, we experienced some difficulties in preparing an oral presentation. However, by looking for some video references on YouTube and TikTok, and also looking at other groups' presentation, we can find a solution. When facing problems in explaining concepts with spoken English, we practice by recording ourselves speaking. This helps us recognize our pronunciation mistakes and improve our sentence structure. And when it comes to the presentation, we are quite nervous, but however, after remembering our goal, conveying our ideas clearly and confidently, we can finally do it.
Through this project, we learned more than just grammatical concepts. We understood how spoken discourse involves many elements, such as grammar, intonation, and context, which work together to create effective communications. The process of creating a poster taught us about the importance of organizing information in a structured way and using visual as supporting tools. Presentation help us realize that good communications requires empathy, openness, and the courage to keep learning. The experience also enhanced our understanding of response tokens and response questions, storytelling, and other materials presented by the other groups, and strengthened our active speaking and listening skills. We are now more confident in using appropriate oral grammar, both in academic and everyday situations. And to conclude, we feel proud of our work and grateful for all the lessons we have learned. This assignment was not just about the fosters, but also about becoming better communicators.